Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and I'm back with another reading. This is for what will happen in the next 48 hours. This is a timeless reading. When I say timeless reading, it means you can hear it anytime. Whenever you're hearing it, it will apply for the next 48 hours. Whenever you're listening to this reading, and so it's not for a specific date. So let's see what's going to happen with you in your life in the next 48 hours. That's 2 days, and let's see what is the first card. Feeling that life is stopped somewhere. That's the kind of mood you will be in. Not much of a movement, things, just static, nothing moving in your life, nothing changing in your life. Those are the channel words that I get. Fed up of going through the same routine of getting up, going to work or not going to work, or doing work from home and sleeping at a particular time. There's no change in time. It's kind of, there's no movement in life, and it's like you wanting a change. Also, the change is not happening. You want to change your job, you want to change a house, you really want change, but the change is not happening. It's something stopping that change. I don't know why there's a delay, I want to say, but there is something delaying the whole process of change. So right now, because this is a movement card which is reversed, like a river is always flowing, but this is something in your life that's just stopped, and that's how you're going to feel in the next 48 hours. Let's see what are the other messages for you. What's the other channel message? Feeling very childlike, innocent, dreaming of the years that you spent when you were a kid. Missing your friends. You miss a lot of things about your childhood. Going back into childhood. Moreover, it's like you almost want to be loved. Like a kid wants love. Missing your mom. This is what I get big time. That's a channel message. Almost missing your mom. Going back. Like how carefree the kids are. So there is something that probably is binding you to a routine, and you really want freedom. You really want to feel free. You don't want a certain, it's like getting up, like I said in the first card, going to work. Everything is so much, you following a watch or a time or a timetable, and you hating that. So you're missing those days, when you just had fun, you didn't plan anything and just went out with your friends, or probably this could be a sibling also. So that's how you're going to be feeling. That's how you're going to feel in the next 2 days. Wanting to do things, like a child does, forgetting the big world problems, or the world problems of finances, or probably you're burdened with things, and you're like, why can't I go back to my childhood where there are no worries, your parents are there. So those thoughts are going to come to your mind. Let's see what are the other channel messages. Wanting to release something but not, you stuck in a situation. That's the whole one message that I'm getting from all the cards is being stuck in a routine, being stuck in a very boring thing, being stuck in a relationship, being burdened by finances. Really want to release the whole tension, the burden. And there are a lot of things, like if when we are an adult, there are a lot of responsibilities we have. So that's how probably you want to go back to your childhood and live, like have a carefree mind, where you don't have to worry about finances, job, putting things right, in the relationship, working hard in the relationship. So there's a lot of release that you want to do, but the next 2 days you're going to feel burdened, and you really want to get away. That's the whole message that I'm getting again and again, getting away. Yeah, I also want to do words later. Sorry, guys, I'm just picking this up. I want to do words later. And let's see what words are forming from this. Less of communication into the coming 48 hours. Not communicating very well. Feeling that the other person is too far away to communicate. Or probably you've actually built a wall between you and the other person. It could be anybody, your boss in a relationship, not reaching out. There is already a distance between you two. It's also that not talking to each other for long, and you think it cannot be mended. For the next 2 days you're going to think about the relationship or whatever the communication problem is, but you've gone so far away from each other, it's very difficult to communicate. Even if you shout out or want to reach out to the other person, there is a lot of gap, like you can see in the card. That's how I'm interpreting it. It says again, you're not breathing easy, thinking too much. Okay, I want you to do your breathing exercises. I want you to do meditation. It's this next 48 hours, I can just feel that there is a lot of burden about something, getting burdened about a feeling, getting burdened about a financial situation, any kind of situation, not breathing easy, thinking too much about it. So that you it's going to make you restless. Okay, it's not going to make you feel good. I want you to release all the negative thoughts that you have in your head. This card came flying out, so I want to use this card in my reading. It says focus. I think you're losing focus somewhere. I want you to focus properly on this, in the situation, on the people. Maybe that the answers will come to you. Have crystal clear focus, okay, for the next 2 days. See what you want to do, what you don't want to do. Okay, that's the kind of feeling that I'm getting from here. And there are people who are going to guide you in your life. There are people who are already guiding you. There are people who are going to tell you what's right and what's wrong for you. And I also feel that you should listen to people. I don't know why I want to say this, but I feel you've closed yourself totally. Let's see. I'm using another deck. These are the fairy. This is the fairy deck. Let me see what are the fairy messages for you. What will happen in the next 48 hours for you guys? I'm going to reverse the deck. What's going to happen in the next 48 hours to you? It's a nice deck. I like the colors. Very colorful deck. I'm going to pull out the first card. Moderation. So whatever you're doing, do in moderation. I think you're overthinking, overeating, over worrying. Okay, unnecessary worries. Okay, it's also about food. I want you to give up any addiction that you have. Okay, it's almost like addicted to something. And the fairies are saying everything in moderation is fine. Okay, too much of anything is bad for you. It's not good for you. So do a little bit of whatever you make, whatever makes you feel nice. Don't go overboard, because moderation is fine. Otherwise things, you get addicted to things. So do whatever you want to do it in moderation. Remember that. That's a big fairy message for you guys. Let's see what are the other messages. Purity. Next 2 days, it's all about being pure. Actually being like a child, like I got in the first, when I picked up the first two or three cards. It's everything being a child. Like, when we are kids, we believe there are unicorns that exist. And that's how I want you to see the world in the next 2 days. Maybe it will answer a lot of things. Okay, I want you to use white color in the next 2 days. It will calm you down. So this is much like a dreamland. There is a lot of purity in thinking. You're not trained. You're not. Our experiences sometimes make us judgmental. But this is so pure. The picture is very pure right now. So that's how you want to think. Okay. You have to believe in magic. You have to believe in fairy tales, and fairy tales do come true sometimes. Card. Use your wisdom next 2 days. It's also be wise, be childlike, but also be wise. Okay. It also is saying don't make very impulsive decisions. Just think about whatever you're going to do. Believe. I want to say believe in fairy tales, but also be wise. Okay, it's good to dream sometimes, but also be wise. So this could be for another set of people. It's not necessarily that I'm talking to just one person. For a few of you, you need to be childlike, but for some, it's like using your wisdom to take care of a problem or a situation, whatever situation you are in. I'm going to put the cards down and I want to pick up one card for you guys. Shine from within. Believe in yourself, believe in your self worth, have the confidence, shine like the card is shining and the girl is shining. I feel almost dressing up for something. I also feel getting ready for a new job, getting ready for something new in the next 2 days. I feel a lot of happiness also. I also feel you practicing for something like a lecture or a class or something that you have to deliver. And you just almost standing in front of the mirror and practicing for your performance. That's what I get. I have a crystal angel card here. I don't know why it's here, but I think I should give this message also. It's from another deck. It says life lessons. So in 2 days you will be experiencing a lot of life lessons. You'll be understanding life lessons. You'll be using them in your daily life. That's what I get. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Next 48 hours. Take care of your parents. Take care of anybody who's old in the house. They're also wanting to be with you. Your parents are missing you, especially if you're a five number. You've been away for 5 months from your parents. I also get the feeling that your parents are also saying they're not feeling too well or not up to it, but they don't want you to worry because they're like it's okay. We know that you're busy. We'll take care of ourselves. So the next 48 hours, those are the words that I get. Dreaming of a happy family. That's nice. I think you'll be buying a house. I also feel you'll be getting engaged very soon, probably in the month of November, coming November, whichever is the coming November, whenever you're listening to this reading. Things will be fine. You'll be happy. I feel a new home is on the way. You're shifting to a new home, or there is a new home in the next 48 hours. Looking back, this one is also saying you almost like looking back childhood days. This is what I get. Next 48 hours, you're going to do a lot of reminiscing. Okay, almost looking at photo albums, old photo albums, something similar to that. That's what you're going to do. Let's see what the love cards are saying. I'm using these cards after long. These are also very colorful cards. I really like them. So let's see what are the love messages for the next 48 hours. I'm going to lay them out and I'm going to responsibility, taking responsibility of the situation, in the situation, of the relationship, being responsible. Those are the words that I get. Aware of your responsibility. Okay? And if you've done anything wrong, you need to be responsible for that. Okay? Believe in individuality of yourself and the other person. You both are unique. It says that. Celebrate your uniqueness. You can, I'm going to read this. It says, you leave your unique stamp of love on everything you do. So you love the fact that the other person is unique and you are unique and there are differences, and that's what's great in the relationship. And you celebrate uniqueness. One more card from here. Vision. Again, vision is a problem. Focus. I want you to focus otherwise in your life, and vision. Where to take, vision here is where to take the relationship. Where are you going? Those are the words that I'm getting. Where next? What is next in the relationship? Are we shifting in together? Are we taking this to the next level? Am I going to give the ring? What are we doing? Are we dating? What is, how is the, what do you see in the relationship? How do you see our relationship? Those are the questions you're going to ask in the next 48 hours, is what I get. Let me form some words. Let me see what words I can give you if they're matching to the whole theme of the situation of the next 48 hours. Because normally they do make words. So let's see what the alphabets are saying and what I can pick up. I get summer. I don't know why. Do you like summer? Summer is an important, was an important time for you. Summer is good for you. You adding something up quite a lot. A sum of something. You've been doing a lot of addition. I told you May is important. I got summer and I got May. So this May was important to you. That's gone by, or probably next May is extremely important for you. Okay. I also get buying something big in the next 2 days. I also get the words I am. I feel a lot of you are going to do affirmations. Let me see what else. Somebody's going to cook very yummy food in the next 2 days. I get the word yum. I think you love. I think you love food, and a lot of people do like food. They are foodies, but you're going to make something very different, make something new. That's what I get in the next 2 days. Are you going to experiment with food? I don't know why I get that. You like experimenting with food, or food from different countries, or something you're going to mix and create. I also get the word same. Something similar is going to happen. Same. We are same or something similar. I don't know why it's not forming here, but I got the word mind for you. Mind it, or mindful, or be mindful of, or using your mind too much. I don't know if you're going to be doing, like I said, a lot of thinking, but I think it's almost saying, use your mind. I also got the word ma'am, almost saying, joining a class and saying hello ma'am, or somebody's going to join your class, any online course, and is going to say ma'am. That's what I get. I also got the word mum, M-U-M. It's don't be mum about something. It's not mom, but it's like don't be quiet about something. If you feel something, if you feel very strongly about something, I want you to voice it out. Okay, that's what I feel. So those were the readings. I want to close it with one more card from Earth. Let me see what I get. Okay, let me see what I get. One more card for the next 48 hours. There is a new beginning on the way, but 48 hours is not. It's not the time. So let 2 days go and something new is coming in your life, because the first card that I picked up, there wasn't much movement. So probably this is not the time of action. You probably know that the new beginning will come to you, but it will take time. So give it 48 hours. Something new will come to you. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I will be back with another reading soon. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment. I always read the comments and I reply. And thank you so much. Bye.